Good morning, Maui. Taking a look at our surface analyst, you'll see our 1033 high pressure is shifting a little bit more to the west, giving us probably a little bit more northy trade wind pattern. You can see these wind waves right here giving us a good direction. Looking at the wind map, you can check down here, see that the wind's still kind of clocking a little east, but right above it here you see a little bit of a north fetch. And I just kind of feel like it might be a little bit better at Kite Beach, a little more northeast than east like it was yesterday. Here you can see the remnants of Eugene and the beginning of Fernando, the one all the hype is about. Looking up at the crater, it's blowing 5 miles northeast. The peak gust was 30, so that's a pretty big change in wind speeds. Again, the lighter the wind, the nicer the flying seems to be in the mornings on the crater. Our Big Island sounding is looking pretty standard. It's following the diabatic line to an inversion right around 6,000 feet. So for me, that's like a perfect day for most sports, but we'll see. Kauai is showing a little bit of a weird hiccup, small inversion, back to another inversion, again at the 6,000 feet. Again, it looks great for flying in the mornings. Looking at our local humidity weather map, you can see that we're not in the clear anymore. We're in a little bit of disturbance, so we could expect to get a little bit of moisture today. A little more detailed look, you'll see these high clouds passing past the Big Island and a little bit of those trade clouds blowing towards us. And our Doppler's looking pretty clear. You'll see this one squall kind of pushing us and hitting my house in Waihe'e right now. It's going to be good looking at Big Blue. We'll always get good pictures of our hurricanes from here. So the thing's starting pretty nice in that mixy zone. You know, the air pushes here, starts to spin here, and sends up and ruins our weather weeks later. Wind Guru is looking beautiful this week. Mellow east-northeast trade winds for as long as we can see. They're calling for a little bit of an east swell and maybe a little bit bigger one with these hurricanes coming in the future. Fingers crossed. Here's a look at our tides today. We're going to have a low around 11 o'clock for your wakeboard tricks. High around 6 for the foiling. One day soon, guys, we're going to be able to surf again, but it don't look like today. I can't wait to just put in some heavy exercise at stand piles with the giant non-stopping hurricane swells. I'm not really joking. I like that stuff. Maui local buoy showing 4.38 seconds. That's as good as it's been in a couple weeks. Scrolling down to our actual wave height, we're going to see 1.0, 13 seconds east southeast. You know, St. Paul's might even make it out this morning. Who knows? Taking a look at our star, you'll see this active region. Whoa, a little flippy. But yeah, today it probably will be decent flying if you go up the mountain. Charge it. My car's running like total crap, so I probably won't go. East wall kiteboarding is gonna be really good, and it should be like that for the next few days. So, all right, have a good day, everybody.